If the Velcro will not adhere to your carpeting, use the optional Velcro stickers provided. When using the two optional Velcro stickers, look for a hard, smooth plastic surface. Do not mount to the trunk carpeting, as the sticker will not stick to carpet. In this vehicle, a good spot for the Velcro stickers is under the trunk compartment. When using the optional stickers, only attach them to a clean, smooth, hard surface like the plastic here. For maximum adhesion, make sure you clean the surface before sticking on the Velcro. Before attaching the Velcro, make sure you know exactly where the straps will line up. Otherwise, you may put the Velcro in the wrong location. Over here, in this case, the Velcro straps are passing right over this spot here. So I put my Velcro, I attach it right to this spot. Thanks for watching. For more information about BumperBoss, please watch our other videos or email us with your questions. We are happy to help.